In this video, I will show you how to find good sellers on DHgate. So I have successfully logged in into my account. Now in order to find a good seller, you just need to look for a seller with a good overall rating. So for example, right here, let's see the seller of this particular product. And you can see that it also has good reviews, although there are only 4 reviews. So in here you can see that it have a lot of things like buyer protection, product feature. You also have in here this details as well, and here the description, the transaction history, and the likes. So you can also see its particular seller. We have in here Sportster101, and as you can see, they have 99.1% positive feedback with 675 orders already. So this means that they have around a percent of a lot of positive feedback. So I recommend you to look for a seller with around 95% or higher desirable feedback. So you also need to make sure that the details on the seller ratings or aspect like items are described or communication and shipping speed are highlighted. So just look for that particular seller qualities and you should be able to find some good sellers.